Today I would like to update about dark mode on iOS 12. This is an update video in 2021 on how to get dark mode on iOS 12. It supports up to 12.5.2. So this is my iPhone 8. You can see I have a full dark mode experience on my iPhone 6 on the App Store. It works on every apps, depend on the app that you are enable. Like settings, I also have dark mode as well. If you check here, so we are on 12.5.2. Now with this method you need to jailbreak your phone. If you haven't, you can check my previous video from my channel. I have done a ton of video about that. Now to get dark mode, you need to go to side here. Then you can go to sources and make sure you add the repo called package. Just simply hit on edit, hit on add, and then you can tie the repo in. I'm gonna put it somewhere on the screen. And now I can just go ahead and go into search, and you can search for Esclap. It used to be paid, but now it is completely free. So you can see this packet is now free. You can just simply hit on modify and install, but because I have already installed it, I can just reinstall and confirm. This video brought to you by AppTrend. AppTrend allows you to quickly transfer app and app data from iPhone to iPhone or from iPhone to PC, and you can transfer app data including WhatsApp, Line and Viber and many more. Not only that, you have ability to restore backup data, or you can backup data from your iPhone into your computer, and you can even install apps into your iOS devices. One more thing, if you want to transfer data from your iPhone to Android, you can upgrade AppTrend. More information can be found from the link in my video description. Now restart Springboard. After that, I should be able to have dark mode on my iPhone. You can change in setting. So there are many options here. So just go ahead and go into the application. So if you enable this button, which means you're gonna have dark mode on the app that you are enable, like mail, message, music and so on. Now on my music, we also have dark mode as well. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Then I will see you guys in the next one.